Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's upload, I am showing you how you can edit your videos with Final Cut Pro. And if you're a little bit lost or you don't know how Final Cut Pro works, this is the video for you. So when I started to edit my videos, I was so lost. And I started with iMovie, so I kind of got like the sense of it, but when I got to Final Cut Pro, it was a little bit different. So if you don't know, now you're gonna know how you can edit your videos with Final Cut Pro. So also, if you are a YouTuber, a full-time YouTuber or part-time YouTuber and really like editing and want to upgrade and want to spend that money, I would really recommend getting Final Cut Pro. It is only a one-time purchase. So if you want to know how you can edit your videos on Final Cut Pro, just keep on watching. So I have my computer here in front of me, and I am gonna screen record, and I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. Okay, so I am now recording, and as you can see, this is the video that I posted on Monday. It can take a lot of your time, but it's very worth it. I love editing and I think it's so cool. So first, what we're gonna do is go to File and create new event. I like creating new events for every single video that I edit. So new event, and let's put how I edit my videos. And then I go to where I did that event, and now I'm gonna go to new project and create a new project. So how I edit my videos. So basically we have a new project. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit and do like the basic stuff, but I'm not gonna do an entire, I'm not gonna edit an entire video because we would be here like 3 hours. So I'm gonna show you like the normal settings and the basic settings that you need to know in order to edit your videos. So here is a video of my Apple Watch. So first we need to drag the video. So actually, when I'm not using the sound of a video, I like to detach audio. So that is right click and you press detach audio, and then you delete that audio. So here I'm gonna select a part of the video that I want to cut, so it starts on that cut that I did. And then I'm gonna press Command B. So basically Command B just cuts your videos, so you don't actually have to go to the blade option on Final Cut Pro because that takes a lot more time, and that's gonna automatically split your video. So that's what I did, and this part that I'm not gonna use, I'm gonna delete, and that's it. So first we have that. I'm gonna then choose until what part I want the video to be. So right there, Command B, we're gonna split. So now we have this part at the beginning that I want to edit and kind of put text and be kind of aesthetic and all of that. So now I'm gonna go up and press the text animation here and go to titles. So on titles, I really only like to use two type of titles. I like to use custom. Custom is just like the regular type of title for Final Cut Pro, so I like to use that. But on the intros of my videos, I like to use blur. So I'm gonna drag that into my video, and I'm gonna select to drag it out a little bit more so it coordinates with the video that we just split into half. Then I like to press title. I'm gonna switch the name. So I'm gonna go with Apple Watch Series 6. Then I am gonna go to font, and this is something that I didn't do at the beginning, and I wish I did, because you can actually download fonts from the internet, and basically you just put them into fonts on your MacBook. That's it. I'm gonna adjust the size so it to fit the screen, and if we press play, there it is. So now I am going to show you how you can put effects on the video. So if you go right here and you press effects, there are a ton of effects that you can put onto your videos. So you can actually put the effects on the video and on the text. Let's put the bad TV effect on the text. Just drag and put there, and then we're gonna go and look for camcorder, and that is gonna go on the video. So if you press play, this is what you get. And it's so cool, like you can play with this stuff and you can make awesome videos from this. So next thing that I want to show you, let's go get another video. Okay, now I have a video of me talking, so I'm gonna show you how you can make your voice sound very smooth. So what we're gonna do is go to the kind of volume bar here, and we're gonna look for noise removal. So if you press noise removal, the voice will sound so much better. So I'm gonna replay that for you so you can see. So what I have right now is kind of a simple talk, and there are also a lot of things you can apply, like loudness, equalization, hum removal. So now let me show you how you can put a transition. So right after the kind of intro, before we get into that, so I actually made an intro myself with Final Cut Pro. So I put that on my videos after the first intro of the video, like the description of what the video is going to be about. After that, I put the small, very quick intro. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. So basically, I go to the middle of here, and if you press Command V, so you press Command V, and it will automatically paste what you copied. And then right here, we're gonna go to transitions, and we have so many transitions. And you can also look on the internet, a lot of sites that have transitions and effects for your Final Cut Pro. Some are paid, but some are free, so you can get free stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna go and put a transition. I'm gonna put dissolve. I really like cross dissolve. So just drag the transition and put it there, and when you press play, basically it's just gonna transition your first clip to the other. Look at how I have a lot of space here that I'm not talking. So what I want to do is split that part and cut it out of the video. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna press Command V, select, delete. So another thing that I want to share with you is how you can actually edit like the background and the highlights, the saturation, the brightness of the video. So let's select this part of the video, and as you can see, it's kind of dark. So if you press and you go to this thing right here, and there are a lot of different like settings that you can use, but I really like using color wheels because I don't know, it just makes it easier for me. So what we're gonna do is go to highlights, and we're gonna bring the brightness up. So that is gonna bring light and brightness to the video. So look at the difference. This is the edited one, and this is the normal one. So you actually get a lot more brightness when you do this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can put the recorded screen onto the video. So like we have right now. So if you, let's just say that we want, let's just use the first part of the video. So let's just press copy and paste where you want the added video to go. We're gonna go to this box right here, and we're gonna go to transform. So what transform is gonna do is gonna kind of make it bigger or smaller. so we want to make it smaller. You can drag it here and it will appear on your screen. Let's just press play. So what I have right now is kind of a simple. So next I want to give you a tip on how you can actually put really good music on your videos without getting copyrighted. Website that's called Thematic. There are a ton of different artists and you can use their songs on your videos. Basically the only thing that they want you to do is give credit to the artist, and I totally agree. So basically you just press here if it's for YouTube and you paste it on your description. Now that I have downloaded the song that I want to use, I'm gonna go down here to downloads and just drag the music to the video. So I'm gonna give you a preview of what we just did, so you can see what we did. So I'm gonna press right here, that will make the screen bigger so you can see. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you did, and welcome to the fam. I hope you learned something new, or just learned in general how you can edit your videos with Final Cut Pro, but easy, very quick, and inexpensive. So that was my goal. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.